If you want to experience more comfortable and stylish camping, then you definitely need this kind of tent. The glass dome tent is the first choice for high-end camping hotels. The tent features a double-layer hollow tempered glass and an aluminum alloy frame, ensuring its ability to effectively resist wind and provide sound insulation. What sets this tent apart is its anti-peeping design, which allows guests to enjoy the outside scenery from the comfort of the interior, while ensuring privacy by preventing outsiders from seeing inside. This igloo tent can be customized to 5-12 meters, and the interior of the tent can be planned for bedrooms, living rooms, bathrooms, kitchens, etc. It is the first choice for high-end hotel camps. Such an interesting tent is made by Luxo Tent. Luxo Tent is a company that has been making waves in hotel tents since its inception. As a supplier, Luxo Tent is dedicated to providing customers with comprehensive solutions for wild luxury hotel tents. Their current tent hotels boast a variety of designs, strong structures, and easy construction, all while significantly reducing the price and cost for their clients. Luxo Tent aims to provide customers with tent products with quality assurance and brand protection. Their commitment to quality, design, and functionality has made them a go-to choice for businesses and individuals looking to create unique and luxurious experiences in the wild.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform,